like a Hellcat.
Hey everyone, this is teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. I hope you're all doing great. We are learning about manipulative skills. So what are manipulative skills? Let's discuss about it. While performing manipulative skills, we use different objects or props to handle or manipulate it with our hands, feet or different body parts. So for today, we'll be doing toss and catch with the ball which I have made it at home. So let's get started.
We can do this activity with the ball balloon or the paper ball which we have made at home. Spread your fingers around the ball like so to get a nice grip.
So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed doing this toss and catch activity. See you in the next class. Till then, be active, stay healthy, and see you when you see me back. Bye bye.